Okay, in the following, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the MCU wizard in Multisim. First, I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to name it MCU. That's where I'm going to save my project. Go ahead, open Multisim. Now, the MCU wizard should be already installed in your Multisim. Alright, so go ahead and place an MCU right there. If you see this icon, you can place the MCU. If you already know the MCU name, you could go to component and place it there. But shortcut is this little icon here. Go ahead and click that. All these components are going to come up. These are the components they have, but they even got picks. But we're going to use the 8051 today. Go ahead and click it in your screen. I'm gonna name this LED. I'm gonna go to the folder that I created, MCU. Next, when you come here, you just leave it in standard, that's fine. And then programming language, assembly. The assembly comes already in your computer. Name this LED. Go ahead and next. Add source file name main as. Yep, you leave that. Click finish. Alright, let's close this window. Alright, here's your MCU, and what you gotta do is you gotta go over here in your left hand side and go into your main, double click it, and this is your workspace. This is your MCU workspace. This is where you're gonna do the code. You said it says here, please insert code here. Fortunately, I have my code over here saved on my notepad for simple LED. Go and copy that, minimize my notepad, paste it here. Here's my code in assembly language to make an LED blink. Here's the port that we're going to be using, the P20. So when we look at our MCU, the 8051, we gotta connect the LED to that port. Here's the delay. It jumps back on. This is the subroutines. Here's the delay subroutine, the back subroutine. It's basically using a counter as a delay, a loop. So here we go. So once we have that, we go back to our main design. Click there. Zoom this. And like I said, we're using this port 21. So let's go ahead and place the other components. Let's go with green. Close that, connect the wires. Go to your MCU tab, click on your MCU, and then go to your memory view. Put this guy on the side. Go to your MCU again. Go ahead and click build. This is compiling, and we look down here, 0 errors, 0 warnings. That's fine. And what we're gonna do is just once that's done, we're just gonna click run, or press F5. Click that. Go ahead, click yes, and just run. There you go. Takes a little bit long, but you could go ahead and change that up in the code. You go ahead in the code again. and you change this number, and that should do it. Alright guys, thank you.